Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Knock Maths Out the Ballpark with me, Mr. Clark. It's great to see you today. Today we are continuing on with our times tables. We've done our 2s, we've done our 10s, we've done our 5s. Next step is going on to our 3 times table. Hopefully you've seen the introduction video and you've learned a little bit about how I teach my times tables to my classes. Now, moving on to the 3 times table now, I am going to talk through the levels and how I do it. So once again, I start with 3 times 1 in my questions. You can see at the side I've already done my counting, done some practicing there. So 3 times 1 is one of my level 1 questions. 3 times 2, I bring that in because I've done my 2 times table and it's also the second one, 3, 6. It should be nice and quick, children should already be remembering. I then come to 3 times 5. It's our middleman, it's halfway there. Also, if we've learned our 5 times table well enough and learned it as a switcher, 3 times 5 shouldn't be a problem at all. Then the final question in my level 1 is 3 times 10. So there we go, I've worked my way through level 1. 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 5, 15, and 3 times 10 is 30. So I've worked through those first ones. Now, I then need to move myself on. I bring myself now on to 3 times 3, 3 times 4, and 3 times 9. Now, there's a good reason why I choose these numbers. 3 times 3 is a special number. It's what we call a square number. When you multiply a number by itself, you create a square number. So 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16. They're all what we call square numbers. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is the next one up. And it's 12. It's just one of these ones you have to learn. There's not any quick tips that I've got for this one. 3 times 9. I've talked about it being the big one. So 3 times 9, it's almost there. It's not quite 3 times 10. It's only 3 away. So it's always nice and easy for children to remember the one that's 1 away. It's 27. So I've now gone through and I've got 7 facts of my 3 times table down, which only leaves me with a few more to do. So that leaves me with 3 times 6, 3 times 7, and 3 times 8. Okay, so 3 times 6 is 18, makes it nice and easy. Okay, so 3 6s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3 7s, it's going to be 3 more than that, it's going to be 21, and 3 times 8. As I said, with this 3 times table, there's not too many tricks, there's a lot of just learning those facts. So as I said, start with level 1, smash them until you've got them and you can do them like that, like popcorn popping. Then level 2, hit that up. Okay, we've got the square number, we've got the one that's nearly there, and then we've got 3 times 4, and then we've got our 3 tricky ones. Thank you for joining me for my 3 times table video. I hope you knock maths out the park, and just like me, you're one step closer to becoming the Beyoncés of maths.